Hey, what is up, everyone? Here's how to view archive emails in Gmail. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and add some few messages into our archive. So let's go ahead and try to find, say, for example, this one here from Travidate Support. Now, in order for us to send this one to archive, what we are going to do is two ways. First way is you can right click on it, and then there is an option for you to send this to archive by clicking this button right here. Now, another way in order for you to get this done is you can just hover over here and you should be able to see here the archive button. So you can click on it and then it is going to send that into archive. Now, the problem here in Gmail is that there is no way in order for you to see folders here that says archives. So in order for you to find it, you're going to go ahead and click the all mail and then you should be able to see it in here. Now, the problem is, how do you know which one was sent to archive and which one was not? So to do that, you can just go over and hover over here to that same archive button. And as you can see here, it's grayed out. I can't click it, meaning it has been in the archive already. Now, if we are going to hover over here to say, for example, still the same thing, this is in archive, here in archive, but this one on the other hand is not. So as you can see, I can still click this one in order to send this to the archive. And here is in the archive already. And then down below, there you go. So yeah, that is the problem again with Gmail. They don't have a reserve folder that you can click in order for you to see all of the archive folders. The only way for you to know which one was archived is to manually check on it. And yeah, everybody, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.